Hello toast lovers! Back to our channel, and for today, we're going to share with you an easy way to make spicy garlic shrimp noodles. Are you ready for the ingredients? Here we go! This time I used 250 grams of noodles. You can use any kind of noodles or pasta. 150 grams of peeled shrimp. I bought it from the store already like this. 5 to 6 cloves of garlic and some green chilies. 2 tablespoons of red chili flakes and green onions. We also need some butter, and don't forget to prepare the honey, black pepper, fish sauce, and soy sauce. The first step is we're going to boil the noodles. It won't take any long time, so you just have to boil the noodles for about 3 minutes. After that, we pick them up from the pan, and don't forget to rinse them in a clean water. Okay, let's move on to the chopping time. First of all, I'm going to chop my garlic. As I told you before, that we need 5 to 6 cloves of garlic. And also some green chilies, we're going to chop them as well. Then the last is we're gonna chop some spring onion. Now for the sauce, we have to mix 2 tablespoons of red chili flakes with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix them together nicely. And this is our sauce. Let's back to the stove. Pour 2 tablespoons of oil and spread it nicely on the pan. After that, just put all of your shrimp on the pan. We can cook them for a while. After that, add the garlic and also the butter. Mix them until the butter melts perfectly. Now it's ready for the sauce, so just pour in all your sauce to the pan. And then the noodles in. After that, mix them evenly. Then we can sprinkle with the green chilies and also the spring onions. Mix them again for a while. And you're done. Now place them nicely on a plate. And add some slices of tomato to refresh your mouth. And this is it. This is a pretty easy recipe, isn't it? Alright, I'll see you guys on the next recipe. Happy cooking!